This is Nite Ize. Nite is what? I forgot the name. What is called? Nite Ize. What infant? Okay, Nite Ize. Okay, is called Infinikey. Okay, Infinikey. Normally I use like this to carry stuff. As you can see, already using a Nite Ize. Another also one Nite Ize, as you can see. Okay, let me just cut it off. That's simple. Okay, I'll transfer my keys. How I can do it? I do like this and I do okay like this. I can use this one with my belt or somewhat. I think this look good. What do you have to say? The keys will not easily come out. Even I come out. Okay, now it's out. Yeah. You need to be the judge how good it is. Subscribe and bye.